कांय ब्रॉडकास्टिंग टीव्ही चॅनलांनी दर वाडयल्यात। त्या उपरांत ऑल गोवा टीव्ही केबल ऑपरेटर असोसिएशनान तांचे कडेन करार करपाक न्हयकार दिल्ल्यान कांय चॅनल काडून उडयल्यात। दर परत आसा तशें जाय मेरेन करार करपाक न्हयकार दितले अशें संघटनेन स्पश्ट केलां। आयकात संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आनी सचिवाक।
Central government has introduced NTO 3, and because of that, the pay channel prices is going to go up of Star, all the broadcasters. That price is going to be around 30 to 50% high over the present price of the pay channels. This hike we want to avoid. So because of that, the major broadcasters have put off these channels, and it is not the MSOs of India, but broadcasters have put off their channels because they want price hike as per the new tariff order 3, which is being implemented by the central government. So because of that, the agreements have not been signed by the broadcasters with the MSOs. MSOs are reluctant to sign the agreement because there is a price hike. We want to avoid that and burden the customer with the price hike. We want to go whatever is the present price should continue. So because of that, broadcasters agreements are not signed by the major, and all the channels are off because the broadcasters have put up the channels themselves for major MSOs in India. Around 60% of India is unable to watch the TV serials or channels. The single price of a single channel has been made as 19 rupees. Like Star Prabha, earlier the price was rupees 12. Now it is rupees 19. So similarly, the Star package was around 49 rupees plus taxes. Now it is 62 rupees plus taxes.
Goa viewers, cable viewers, to cooperate with the cable operators, and we will be very soon restoring the signals very as early as possible. Please support. Thank you.
Which are the channels?
These are the channels are Sony, Zee and Star.
These are discontinued because of price hike.
Price hike, yeah.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकार, सुभाशीश गोवेकार आनी संगीता ओली।